Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today it's a new thing. I haven't looked at it. I just seen the first page. And why are you quitting? Anyways, so I haven't looked at it. I only seen the first page, and first thing that goes to my mind, oh, yay, shops, but hopefully there's no rares in it or anything, but introducing Outback import damage. So it might. Oh, I'm surprised. Don't really know where it. Oh, this is pretty cool. Stone things. Is there anything else? Or oh, okay. Well, I guess it's only that. Okay. Might as well look at the rest. I think we already know that. Spikes. You've got to be kidding me. Have you seen what's new in the diamond shop? Pet monkeys are on clearance, and we heard there might be a spike in sales for some new items. Wait, that doesn't even make sense. Be a spike in sales. What? For new items? Only wishing they don't. Okay, well, hopefully they don't come back. Have you ever wanted? Okay, well, a new adventure is starting soon. That's a good thing. Koalas for all. Not really much different, except the store and spikes might come back. Well, it just said spikes. They didn't say spike collars. Oh no, please don't bring them back. I won't be trading mine. Well, for sure not my long black or long black wrist. Those are the two I for sure won't be trading still. Even if they do come back or not. Well, anyways, Hi. Okay, so anyways, I guess that's it, basically. Spikes, no, please don't bring them back. Oh, I just can't get over that fact that they actually be in, but I still can't. Okay, if you guys know what that means, like, I could be like the owl thing. I wasn't thinking about the pets and everything. I seen all your comments. Maybe I'm just being like that again, and I can't understand this one sentence, and I am freezing. So, thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts below in the comments about the spikes, and I'll be back with another video soon. Bye, guys.